So you've created your GitHub account and now you are ready to create a repo on GitHub. And so there's two different ways you can do this. You can create an empty repo and then move it down to your computer, to your local computer, or you can create a repo on GitHub and then push up an existing repo that you have on your local machine. So I'm going to do the first way. I'm going to create an empty repository and it will automatically be tracked by Git onto my local machine. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm on my home page. I can click new here, or I can go up here and I can say new repository. So it's going to ask you for a name. I'm just going to do CISP and I'll just call it test. And then you can put a description here. And so this is the part that will determine if you're going to be moving up a repo from your local machine or you're just going to be starting with an empty one. So if you're going to be starting with an empty one, you're going to click this button. If you are going to be moving something up from your computer, you will not click this button. And you can follow those directions on this lesson page. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click that. And then I'll hit create repository. Okay, and then my repo is created. And you can see this is the README file, and whatever you type in that file will be listed down here. So how do I get it down onto my computer now? So now I'm going to hit this code button, and then I'll copy this link. And this is the link to this repo. So from my terminal window, I'm going to clone that empty repository. So to do that, I'm going to say git clone, and then I'm going to paste that link. And that is going to clone that repository down onto my local computer. So if I do an ls, I was in my documents folder, and you can see that it's right here. Okay, so I'm going to change directories into that repo. And if I do an ls, you can see there's the README file. And I can do a git status and everything's fine. So now I can start adding my files to this project.